Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss the 5 stages of team development and how they can significantly impact time management within a project. Effective team building is essential to achieving project goals and staying on schedule, as it ensures smoother collaboration, faster problem solving, and higher productivity. As Larson and Gray in 2021 explain in Project Management, the managerial process, the team development directly impacts a project's efficiency and ability to meet deadlines. The first stage is forming. During this phase, team members are introduced and begin to understand the project's objectives. While enthusiasm may be high, there's often uncertainty about roles and expectations. Leadership is critical here. Establishing clear goals and fostering open communication helps set the stage for success. And according to Turanga in 2022, in their article, A Leader's Role in Team Development, leaders play a crucial role in guiding their teams throughout this phase by building trust and setting expectations. Effective planning during this phase prevents delays caused by miscommunication later, laying a strong foundation for time management. Next is storming, a phase marked by conflict as team members navigate differing ideas and working styles. This stage can be challenging, but it's a necessary step for team growth. Unresolved conflicts can derail timelines, so active conflict resolution and promoting collaboration are essential. Petrock in 1990 in the 5 stages of team development highlights that leaders must facilitate constructive discussions to help teams overcome this stage. Additionally, as noted on hr.mit.edu, addressing these challenges effectively ensures minimal disruption to the project timeline. In the norming stage, team members begin to align their efforts, roles are clearer, trust develops, and collaboration improves. This stage fosters a sense of cohesion and significantly boosts efficiency. The Teamwork blog emphasizes that during norming, communication improves and teams operate more effectively, leading to better time management. The performing stage is where the team reaches its peak efficiency. Members work autonomously while maintaining high levels of collaboration and accountability. Larson and Gray in 2021 explained that in this phase, teams achieve optimal performance, which is critical for time-sensitive projects. As Salmaznia Mokhtari and Nakai Kamal Abadi in 2012 discuss in the research on robust scheduling, a high-performing team is better equipped to handle complex tasks, minimizing delays and ensuring project success. Finally, adjourning marks the project completion. Here, reflecting on lessons learned and recognizing contributions ensures a positive closure, fostering readiness for future projects. The article from hr.mit.edu stresses the importance of celebrating achievements during this stage to build morale and prepare team members for their next assignments. Team building is vital across all stages as it enhances trust, communication, and alignment. These factors directly impact time management by reducing inefficiencies, preventing miscommunication, and fostering a collaborative environment where challenges are addressed promptly. Both Salmaznia et al. In 2012 and Taraga in 2022 emphasize that strong team dynamics lead to better time utilization and overall project success. Understanding and managing the 5 stages of team development ensures that project timelines are respected and objectives are achieved efficiently. Thank you for listening, and I hope that this overview helps you foster more cohesive and effective project teams in the future.